Hey, what's on YouTube? We've got Dalgona coffee. Dalgona coffee. Dalgona coffee. Dalgona. Dalgona. Milo. Still Dalgona cake. Dalgona. Okay, so the world is turning into Dalgona. And what are we going to do today? We're still in lockdown. So we're going to make, guess what? Dalgona. No, not coffee. We're going to make Dalgona ginger ale. So here in the Philippines, we call that salabat. So we're going to try it. I've never made it before and I've never tasted anything like that. So this is what you call yellow turmeric. It's similar to ginger. I don't have ginger, so we're going to use yellow turmeric powder. Okay, so ready. Alright, so we're ready to make Dalgona ginger ale. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to use 2 tablespoons of this yellow turmeric. So we're gonna put that into this bowl. So Lorena will do the honors. Okay, that's 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons. I think it has to be 2 tablespoons. So that's just 2 teaspoons. Is that enough? Okay. So we next add the water, and I think if we 1:1, so 1:1. Is that enough?
3. 1:1.
Okay. So now we will whisk it. No, wait, sugar. Sorry. I totally forgot about the sugar. So sugar. So we have our sugar here. This is the sugar. 1:1.
And then,
Same. So I'm not sure if we are using the right bowl because this bowl is a little bit shallow, so I'm not sure if we're going to be able to whisk the mixture properly. We're going to try. I think that's the water's not enough. I think you need to add more water because the turmeric is absorbing the moisture. I think you need to add more water. More. Okay, let's try that. Okay, so we're mixing it, and we are going to try to turn this into a frothy. What do you call this? It's going to be a topping, so let's call it a frothy topping. So what we're doing is different from what all the others are doing. There's Dalgona coffee, then there's Dalgona Milo, and there's also Dalgona cake. So this is still Dalgona, but we're going to use turmeric. If you don't have yellow turmeric, just use ordinary ginger. Okay, shoot me. So I'm gonna try to turn this into a solid mixture. Just turmeric, sugar, and water. Just like beating an egg. Whoop. I'm not sure how long I'm going to do this, but we'll know when it gets frothy. When you feel it, this fork, it comes up. I have a feeling it's going to take a very long time. This is very difficult. How long has it been? I think I've been whisking this for ages. Is it working? Is it working? I think it's working, but not quite.
What is that?
Your turn. Your turn. This is hard. It's really hard. If you have an electric mixer, maybe that's the way to go. So how long do you think this will take?
3 hours.
3 hours? 3 hours later. Okay, I'm gonna try again. We're almost there. It's not quite. Almost. Getting there. See, it's lifting, lifting. Just like beating an egg. Just like scrambling. Slow motion. So now Yana's going to try her luck whipping the Dalgona ginger ale. That's too slow, Yana.
I know.
Is it lifting already? Okay, so I think we've been whisking for about maybe 30 minutes and I'm a bit sweaty now. And I'm not the only one. But we're getting it, see? Getting stickier. Sticky. It's rising. Just a little bit more and we'll be there.
Look at me.
What does that mean?
I don't know. I'm tired.
You're tired. What about me?
What about me?
You didn't do anything. You just made that slow whip. Is that the way to use the whip?
Maybe. It's a small bowl.
Would you like to try that?
No.
I think whipping is the fun part when making Dalgona beverages. Okay na? That's it? Okay, okay. I think that's it. Alright, now for our Dalgona ginger ale, we're going to be using honey. So that's going to be part of the drink. So if you remember, we used sugar for the top and a bit bitter. Yes? So this is the, what did you use to mix this?
Turmeric powder.
Turmeric powder and honey. Okay, so this will be where our frothy mixture will go. Okay, that's enough. Okay, this is the moment of truth. Drum roll. It's not too much. Too much. Okay.
Ito, nahulog lang siya.
We'll see.
See?
It sank. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Alright. So instead of floating, our whipped yellow ginger sank to the bottom of the glass. I'm gonna try it again.
So can I try?
It's like sweet tea,
Can I try?
ginger tea.
Can I
Okay.
try?
Let me take this first. So this is Yana tasting turmeric. Just take a sip. Did you like it? How was it? Was it sweet?
But I don't like actually taste.
No, it's ginger. It's turmeric.
I've never tried ginger.
You've never tried ginger before? First time for everything. You know, what we got from this experiment is that, okay, so ginger, or at least yellow turmeric, won't work if you want to make it Dalgona style. But what I can say is, it's still a great turmeric drink. I can guarantee that. You'll just have to add ice, because right now it's too sweet. But it's got that perfect gingery flavor, and it has lots of antioxidants, and of course that's very healthy. So, do I consider this little experiment a success? Oof. Oof. What's the oof for?
Oof.
You mean this?
Yeah, failure.
Oof?
Oof. Oh,
It's not a failure. Why are you calling it a failure? It's not. I like it.
it sink.
It sank,
Fun.
but it's still a good drink.